I'm Mackenzie Gorham. I'm the program coordinator and instructor for the Nuclear Operations Technology program, which is part of the Energy Systems Technology Education Center here at ISU. The Nuclear Operations Technology program is an Associates of Applied Science. There are 2 years and a prerequisite semester for students to complete the program. We teach radiological work with applied hands-on labs and simulations. We partner with the Nuclear Engineering Department here on campus, and students get hands-on experience operating a real nuclear reactor. We also provide a variety of certifications and experiences within OSHA, such as HAZWOPER, and other experiences that help prepare students for the workplace. Because we're so hands-on, that means there's a lot of labs, which means there's a lot of time on campus, in class. And it's exciting. You're getting to do real things as a student. We build circuits, we tear them apart, we troubleshoot them. We have a reactor. You get to take it critical starting semester 1. We handle fuel. We train outside for hazardous material spills. We practice shipping radiological materials. But that all involves time on campus. We emphasize that experience inside the glove boxes we have on campus, at the reactor on campus. In our mock radiological areas, students get a lot of experience practicing for what they're going to see in industry. So if you're looking for a technologically advanced career with a heavy hands-on component and a chance to contribute to energy stability, this is the program for you.